In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a pre-filled paperform URL in Chrome. If you want your paperform to automatically populate certain fields for the people opening it, this is a simple and practical method to use. The idea is to take your published live form link, add a small prefill parameter to the end of the address, and then open that updated link so the form loads with the target fields already filled in. To begin, open your published paperform live URL in Google Chrome. Make sure you are using the live version of the form, not an internal editing page or preview that isn't intended for sharing. Once the form is open, click into the address bar so you can edit the full URL directly. Next, go to the end of the URL and append a question mark followed by your prefill information in this format. Prefill_key equals value. In other words, you'll replace the word key with your field's actual prefill key and replace value with the data you want inserted into that field. This tells Paperform exactly which field should be populated and what information should appear there when the form loads. As you do this, be careful to enter the prefill key exactly as expected. Even a small typo can prevent the field from filling correctly. The same goes for the value you enter. Make sure it matches the information you want to pass into the form. If the value contains spaces or special characters, keep in mind that URLs may need proper formatting so the link works smoothly when shared. Once you've added the prefill parameter to the end of the address, press enter. Chrome will load the updated page, and the form should open with the target fields populated automatically. This is the easiest way to confirm that your modified link is working as intended before you send it to anyone else. After the page loads successfully, and you can see that the correct fields have been filled in, return to the address bar and copy the complete modified URL. Be sure to copy the entire link, including the prefill portion you just added. That full URL is the version you'll distribute. And that's it. By opening your live paperform URL, appending the prefill key and value, loading the updated page, and copying the complete modified link, you can create a shareable URL that saves time and makes form completion easier for your audience.